Hi guys, today we are going to see how we can use Jupyter Notebook to access a machine learning or data science project. So what we are going to first do, so first you can open any terminal you want. I'm going to use PowerShell. So first you have to install Jupyter. Okay, so what you can do, you can go to Google Chrome and you can download from that, but I'm going to show you an better way. You can, if you have pip installed, if you don't know how to check if pip is installed in your system or not, you can just type pip minus minus and version. I will do this. Now you can see, as you can see, there is pip 21.1.3. okay, so if this doesn't show you or it gives you an error, just you can you should download Python, okay, from the Python org. So if you have pip installed, we can go further and just do pip install Jupyter Notebook. And when you do that, your computer will automatically install whatever server or related files you have to install to get started with Jupyter. Okay, so as you can see, it is showing requirement already satisfied here. Okay, so this means that I have already downloaded Jupyter. So after that you have downloaded it, now we have to host a private servers so we can run our Jupyter Notebook. Okay, so let's start. You can just type here Jupyter Notebook. As you can see, a local host server has been created by a Jupyter Notebook, and now we can access our files. So this is my folder in which I work with my programming files. So what we are going to do first, we are going to make a Python 3 IP kernel file, and this is all hosted in our server. Okay, so we're going to write a simple program which is just like, okay, so if you want to run a cell, so this is basically a cell and it runs a specific program or code you write, and you can just click control and enter, and I will give dy or tree. Okay, and this gives you the result output. Okay, so now what we are going to do, we are going to create another cell, and I'm going to show you some magic keys of Jupyter Notebook. Okay, so first we have to write percent and write ls magic and just control enter, and you can see all the magic keys here. So if you can write so there are many files, you can just surf how to use them. You can access the terminal from here by just using the percent key and like pip and use that. So if you want to create an HTML header or something, you can use that here. So what we are gonna do, we are gonna use because the main purpose of Jupyter, to use Jupyter, is to work with data science or machine learning algorithms. Okay, so we are gonna create a new cell, and here I'm gonna type Matplotlib inline, and if you don't have it already installed in your pip freeze, you can just I'm gonna open another terminal. This time I'm going to open CMD. So just go and type pip and type After you wrote that, you can see all the frameworks which have been installed. So as you can see, I have NumPy installed here, and all my Jupyter files are also, look, Jupyter console and all the essential files are installed here. Okay, so if you don't see Matplotlib here, just type here pip install matplotlib, and after you do that, you can see it is saying requirement already satisfied, which means that it is already installed. I have installed it previously. As you can see here, it is okay. So after you do that, just type in pip is again, and you can see your Python frameworks here. Okay, so we just close the terminal, and a server is hosted here. Okay, so we're gonna use Matplotlib Untitled. This is a magic line, and we're gonna paste some. Let's find some Matplotlib code for sample, how to use that. If you go samples plots in Matplotlib, as you can see, here is a simple plot of human brain and something. I just want to see the code. Is there a code here? As you can see, there is a code here. I'm gonna just copy it. This is just an example. So after we wrote them, this might be some data science or code. So let's run it. If we click run here, you can see these are the machine learning algorithm, flowcharts are listed here. So if you run this code, and after that it shows in a new localhost server, but because of the Jupyter notebook, you can see it is showing here only. So that's the advantage of using Jupyter notebook over other IDEs for data science and machine learning. That's why you should use that. So yeah, this was the video regarding how to use Jupyter notebook for data science purposes. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next time. Make sure to drop a like and subscribe. Bye.